Welcome to MedTech Global Insights. Today we're diving into one of the most promising yet challenging markets for medical devices, Brazil. With a population of over 200 million and a rapidly growing healthcare sector, Brazil represents a massive opportunity. However, market access is strictly controlled by the Brazilian Health Regulatory Agency, known as ANVISA. Navigating ANVISA's requirements is the single biggest hurdle for international manufacturers. The regulatory process is complex, known for its rigorous scrutiny and potential for long delays. First, you must understand the device classification, which ranges from Class 1 for low risk to Class 4 for high risk products. This classification determines your registration pathway. Lower risk devices, Class 1 and 2, typically go through a notification process called cadastro. This is a simpler, faster route. However, for higher risk devices, Class 3 and 4, a full registration process called registro is required. This is a much more intensive process involving a detailed review of your technical dossier, clinical data, and manufacturing processes. A major challenge here is that all documentation must be submitted in Brazilian Portuguese, and the technical requirements are highly specific. Let's consider a real-world scenario. A North American company developed an innovative Class 3 cardiovascular implant. They had FDA approval and a CE mark, so they assumed entry into Brazil would be straightforward. They were wrong. Their initial submission to ANVISA was met with a long list of questions. ANVISA questioned the applicability of their foreign clinical data to the Brazilian population and requested additional testing information. The company also didn't have a Brazil registration holder, or BRH, which is a mandatory local entity that legally represents the foreign manufacturer and is responsible for the registration. This oversight alone halted their progress for months. They faced significant delays, costing them projected revenue and giving local competitors an advantage. This case highlights a critical point. ANVISA's process is not a simple validation of other international approvals. It is a standalone, in-depth review. Successfully entering the Brazilian market requires deep local expertise. It means understanding the nuances of ANVISA's expectations, preparing a flawless technical dossier from the start, and having a reliable BRH. Companies that partner with regulatory experts can navigate this landscape effectively. For instance, using local representation services ensures you have a compliant BRH immediately. Advanced services now even use AI-powered tools to compile and manage technical dossiers, ensuring accuracy and compliance with ANVISA's specific formatting. This technology-driven approach can significantly reduce preparation time and minimize the risk of rejection or lengthy information requests from the agency. It transforms a complex, multi-year challenge into a streamlined, strategic market entry. For more information on navigating global markets like Brazil, you can email us at info@pureglobal.com or visit our website at pureglobal.com.